camera down here. What is that there? So beautiful. Oh, bridge. Wow, lovely. Wow. It looks like, what's the name there, darling? It's very beautiful.
That's the Houses of Parliament.
So now I can see what the London house look like. Oh, the charts. Yeah, the charts, darling. There's a Catholic charts.
Sorry?
Catholic charts.
That's the, well, be the king's now, that's the king of God. There's a sign that says the king's mounted bodyguards.
The King Mountain Bodyguards, where that is? The King oh yeah. Oh wow. Amazing. They're also here
They're sitting
beautiful.
down. Boring job.
Yeah. You can take picture with the link. You can, yeah. Okay? See, you stand there. You can take all together. Huh? You can see.
The trouble is, if you got too far, you won't be able to see any of that. That was good, that looks like a good door.
Look.
Yeah, that one even looks a little bit.
Huh?
Hang on, I'll take another one, it looks a bit blurry. Stay there.
Blurry.
Stand near the edge, but don't go up.
Okay. I go for